Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you are to share a collective haul. So if you're here to see what Miss Tamika got, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I'm straight into this here collective haul. I know that's right. Thank you, son. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you for that. Start the actual haul. I just wanted to shout out Merit for sponsoring this here portion of the video, you all, because let me just tell you, Merit done came out with some good stuff for the holiday, y'all. Merit ain't here to play. Let me tell you. So here is the packaging for a card, and it says great skin, blah blah blah. So it's just a Merit card. And keep in mind, everything that I mentioned in this here video, I will link down below for you all. So make sure you click on that description box. If you're watching me on a big screen TV, auntie, click on that description box and get you some Merit. If you watch me on a big screen TV, you do need to log into a computer so you can pull down that description box. Okay, auntie? Just saying. The holidays are coming, and if you are looking to purchase that special person in your life a gift, your sister, your daughter, your wife, your kids, your whoever, I would highly recommend this here Merit set. Not only do you get, like say for instance, you have more than one daughter, you can take this, you can buy this whole set and you can take it and break it down. Like, you don't have to give the person the whole set that you can break down, you know, because like if I had daughters that was into makeup like myself, this would be a perfect gift, because like I said, I can get a blush, she can get a blush, and my other daughter can get a blush. But unfortunately, I only have one daughter and she's not into makeup. So I say that to say, you can just break them down. And these here are considered the mini blushes. This is the one that's called Home, is what we have at our store, and that's like Home is our most popular shade. And we also have Mood. Here is Mood shade if you're looking for a fall shade. This here is, like I said, in the shade Stockholm. This here is, like I said, is the most popular shade. Not least, we got Bespoke. I think this is the exclusive to the holiday set. If I'm wrong, I will let you know. But here is that shade at the end. All right. And these here are so cute. Like, look how cute these here little blushes are. To the lips. Now, you know Miss Tamika is a lip girl. So when I saw the lip set, I was like, yes, give me lips, give me lips. Lip set, like I said, it comes in a set of 3. You get Bespoke, Black Tie, and de jour. So look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love Merit lipstick, y'all. I love Merit lipstick packaging, y'all. When I tell you 10 out of 10, let's pull it up like so. And I think this one here is Bespoke, and it's kind of like a sheer, and it is buildable, so keep that in mind. The shade Black Tie. Look at the packaging for Black Tie, y'all. Ooh, this is a matte. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I might have to wear this one today, y'all. Ooh, this is sexy. Let me see. Let's see this last shade. Ooh, the packaging for this one. Do you see the packaging? Oh my gosh, y'all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Link everything down below for you all, so y'all can take advantage of this here Christmas set. Like I said, these here are great stocking stuffer. You could buy the set of 3 and break it down, because these here are considered full sizes. Now, the blushes are considered mini, but these here are full sizes, you all. I'm telling you. Woo! So go ahead and click on that link, y'all. Take advantage, because honey, the holidays are coming, and I know if you like Miss Tamika, we like to shop early to get our stuff. go ahead and enjoy the haul. So before I get into the haul, I just wanted to share something really quick with you all. Instagram, you may have already heard what I'm about to say, and if not, I'll leave my Instagram across the screen. Ticket to Sephora a couple months ago. So excited to go, you all. Like, so excited to go. Like, I had planned an outfit, hang out afterwards. Like, it was going to be a whole vibe the day of Sephora. Where we ended up having a bad storm, and it came through Atlanta. And you know how it is when it's any type of storm, threat, or anything. Safe than sorry. So I say that to say they canceled schools. For my daughter, they canceled that Thursday and Friday of school. Canceled school. I'm like, okay, is Sephora still going on? That Thursday, our store did close early, and closing at 9. We closed at 5. I think around like 8 something. That's when one of the girls in the group chat texted us and was like, yeah, they finally canceled it. And I was just like, hey, we did get our grab bag, and we are getting a full refund. So I say that to say this is part of the haul. I'll do the Sephora haul last, because y'all, it's a lot of stuff. What I bought, because instead of going home that day, let me tell you, y'all, let me tell you how the sun came out. Yes, the sun came out. When I tell you I was so upset, like, okay, I give and take that we got our money back, but it wasn't the money for me. It was more so the experience to go, because I wanted to go to the one in New York. But I'm glad I didn't book a ticket and flight and everything, because the same thing happened in New York, and the same session was canceled. So I don't know what it is about the month they're picking, but they're not picking good months, because the months they're picking is like bad weather seasons, like hurricane seasons and things like that. Take pictures. I wanted to connect with brands and things like that, because I'm up at Lenox Mall. So I needed a pair of work shoes, you all. My first and ever on cloud sneakers, you all. Expensive, but I guess you pay for what you, I guess you paying for the comfort, because they're not the cutest sneakers and they're not the ugliest sneakers, but I'm just saying, like, these Air Max prices, but they don't look too bad. Like, they don't look too bad on my feet. And I got these here shoes, and while I was in the mall, I stopped at the Nespresso store, because Lenox finally got a Nespresso store. Because like I said before, it used to be in Bloomingdale's, and then it used to be like at a kiosk. So now they have an actual store, which is a lot cuter to me. So here are the pods. I just got pumpkin pods. I'm not going to be able to pronounce these. The Carmelo pods. This here coffee pod. I don't know how to pronounce that, y'all. So I got this pod. And I got this here pod. I think it's if you buy 8, you get 2 free. Here pod. So I think I got a total of 3, 4. I got a total of 5. So I could have added, what, 3 more, and then I would have got 2 free. But I spent $44.06. So then I also stopped at Ulta, because y'all, the hunt for this here new scent is the it's by Touchland, and it's the peppermint mocha. Here smells really good, but I will say it smells kind of like the, I don't smell the peppermint as much, because we don't sell the peppermint one, but I ended up getting 2. So I'm like, I do like the mocha particular ones, because I really like them. I like the pumpkin, but I like the mocha ones better. I think it's hot cocoa or something. I gotta get y'all the name before I gotta let y'all know the name. So like I said, I got 2. We don't carry them at our store, because like I said, I would have bought them at our store. Get a lip pencil from NYX. It was only $5, and it's in the shade brown, because y'all know I'm looking for like the perfect brown pencil. This hair brand, y'all, it was on sale. It was like at the front of the table when you walk in. I only got it because it was cute packaging, y'all. But brightening pads, and I like the fact that there are pads, so I can take the pads and like wipe them across my face and throw them away, versus having to pour liquid in your hand or use. So I do like that part of this, because I plan to use this like after I take off my makeup. And this is the container. They have different ones. Let me see this brand, but like I said, I bought it because of the packaging. Ooh, it smells citrus. Ooh, I can't wait to use these. And it's day and night and it comes with 100. I wonder if this here packaging is a refillable package, because that would be nice. So those were the 2 things that I got from Ulta yesterday. It's the bag, y'all. And when I tell you, she is full. Is hot cocoa came out, and I grabbed that when I was at Lenox Sephora. Got the Bum Bum Cream. Got the Tamika finishing spray. Ooh, I'm glad I got a finishing spray because I'm so tired of getting dry shampoo, you all. So yeah, I can use this here tonight. Rare Beauty, what is it called? Body and Hair Mist. Got something from In Beauty. It is a slushy serum. Let me show you what it looks like. This is stuff that I already have, but it's a hydration serum. Y'all already know what this looks like because I had got this in my training products before. We got something from Glow Recipe, and this here is the toner. It's a mini version of the toner, and I do like the toner. So the Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant. I'm happy to get this, y'all, because a lot of people raved about this hair product. So we got that. Valentino. This here is Born Aroma. It is a travel spray. I have the Fenty comeback kit in the smaller version. We got something from Pharmacy, which is the Green by Green Clean. This here is a makeup melt away cleansing balm by Dr. Dennis Gross. This here is a creamy cleansing oil, and it's soap free. Yeah, I was just getting ready to purchase that. Of course, it's not the full size, but I'll take what I can get to make sure I'm loving it. Out of Fireplace, you don't like that. That's a scent that you have to wear versus smelling it, because I like it better on myself versus smelling it, because when I smelled that, I was like, ugh, I don't like that. But when you put it on and you walk around, oh gosh, it smells so good. Hair oil, again, I got this in gratis. I don't know how to open, but yeah, I got this in gratis. Eyeshadow palette, of course, my type of shades. Dior eyeshadow palette that I got in gratis. That's why it doesn't have like a case or a cover. So we got something from Danessa Myricks. This here is in the color Jade. What is this? Oh, this is a eyeliner, a chrome pencil. Okay, so cute and little. This here is in the shade 277. Ooh, Screaming Fall. How cute. Hey, something from Fresh, which is a cleanser. IS mascara. Tubing mascara. Here, black owned brand. How you say her name? Amani Cole. Famous setting spray. Clay mask. I have this one, not sure, but we have something from K-Skin. Oh, Brown Girl Jane. Let me see what this smells like, because I was wanting to smell this, but I think it's online. Oh, it smells nice. I might throw that in my purse. Fleur Missing Person. This is another scent that you have to wear in order to see if it works with your body chemistry. Ultra, the Kiehl's Ultra facial cream. Ooh, Laneige. I love Laneige, you all. My favorite. Pink by Glossier. This here is a blush. The shade Storm. There's something from Tatcha. A cleanser. K18 hair oil. A YSL lip. Do I have this one? Number 2. This is an instant diffuser dry shampoo by Living Proof. And Main hair oil. Love Shack Fancy Fragrance. This is my favorite scent, the purple one. Charlotte Tilbury Love Fancy Fragrance. This one here is okay. I think this is the one I actually like because I bought I got the Discovery set in gratis, like with a gratis pull. And I think this was the one that I ended up liking. So yay to that. For mascara, I don't know why I thought this was like a SpongeBob packaging because it's yellow. 7 Virtuals and Vanilla Woods. I have this already. It's in my car, so I'm gonna just keep that here. Mini all-nighter setting spray. Let me see how cute and little this is. Oh, look how cute. Got a body cleanser from Way, oil from Moroccan Oil, and cold. Somebody cold. So yeah. Well, that was everything that we got from Sephora, you all. So just imagine if I would have gotten inside of Sephora, gave you another Sephora bag, like a tote bag, and you got more stuff from the brands. And I'm like I saw people with hats, extra bags, totes, like all pouches, like all kinds of stuff. If they do Sephora next year, I would never do the first session again. So that was everything that I got while I was out yesterday, you all. So, oh, you know what? I forgot one. Oh, shit. Hold on.